Hey Amazon, we're out here today at the park, beautiful day, with the HS170 Predator by Holystone. And I'll tell you, I've been waiting to get this one for a while, and caught it on a lightning deal, and just so happy I did. This thing is just a blast. It's got 3 speeds. It's a typical little mini type drone, but very high performance, very pretty too. I mean, you can see that thing, it's just beautiful. It's got brilliant lights. The whole underside is lit up at night. Of course, you can't see it right now, but you can see a little bit of flashing. I'm going to bind it to the controller. Of course, it's just up, down, and we're bound. Like I said, it does have 3 speeds. Speeds are adjusted by pushing on this stick. That's the 2nd speed, 3rd speed, and back to 1st. These are trim buttons: forward and backward pitch, left to right pitch, yaw, and you do have a light control on this one too. And anyways, that has a flip function. You push on the pitch stick and go to whichever side you want. So anyways, let's take it up real quick, and we'll give you a little flight preview. And that is the 1st speed right there. You can see it's still even pretty responsive there. I'll boost it up to the 2nd speed, and we'll just fly it around and give you a little bit of a flight. And I'll concentrate on flying and not talking too much. Give you an idea what it looks like there. I love flying this thing. It is just so quick and sporty, and actually it's just smooth for this size of quad. It's very responsive. I mean, I flew it around a little bit earlier just to get a practice run, and I'll tell you, it was just great. I just love this thing. It's so much fun. Very responsive, very quick. Like I said, this is a 2nd speed right here, so you can see it's responsive. We got a breeze today too, so it's doing good with the breeze. Lights will start flashing when the battery's low. I mean, it seems to have really good range. I'm not going to take it out real far, but I think I've had it out about 50 feet. And it seems to do just great. I'm going to take it out there towards that jogger. No, not too far. I don't want to get anyone upset. They might think it's a mad hornet. Boost it up to the 3rd speed for you. See, I've got the breeze just really kicked it back, but the 3rd speed, this thing is insane. Almost gave myself another haircut. Going back to the 2nd speed with this breeze, it's a little bit too much, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick idea how this thing flew, but it is a lot of fun. Very responsive, very smooth flyer, and just pretty as can be. Beautiful paint scheme on it. Big H for Holystone, and I tell you, I just love Holystone so much. They are the best customer service. They will take care of you whenever you have a problem. Uh-oh, almost ran into my Bug 6. Anyways, this is just a little short flight for y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll take her in here for a landing, hopefully. And hope you enjoy. If you're thinking of getting one of these, don't hesitate. It's just a blast. All right? Have a great day. Bye now.